Go.
Okay, this is Sydney's third helping of spaghetti tonight, clearly by the look on her face, or the color of her face. Eat your spaghetti. Don't play. Eat it. Sydney, eat. No. Put your plate down. No. Eat what's on your plate first. You have a whole lot left there. Eat that. Looky there. Okay. Eat it. Sydney. No, do not wipe it on your stomach. Sydney. No. Eat it. Do not put it in your stomach, Daddy. You're not helping. Yeah, you're going to get a bath. That's a given. If that's what you were worried about, I promise. We're going to give you a bath. Don't wipe it on anything else. Eat your spaghetti.
No, honey. No.
Eat. Yeah. Sydney, Mommy's saying I'm in, all right? I'm taking it away. No, we don't play with it. Do you want to eat? Eat your spaghetti. Do you want more? Do you need more? Mommy will get you a little bit more.
Sydney.
Sydney, no ma'am.
We don't do that at the table.
No ma'am. No ma'am. What are you saying no to? Please don't. There you go. You can eat it, but don't play with it. Are you finished?
You definitely don't want that on the tablecloth.
She wants your hand. Say your prayers. Lord, thank you. Go ahead.
Amen.
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 Say your prayers. Say your blessing. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Yeah, you can't grip because you got so much. Don't play with it. Eat it. Oh, she's going to hate us one day. Sydney, honey, don't wipe it all over your belly.
She may see this video at our high school graduation.
I thought about her wedding. Her rehearsal dinner for her wedding. Maybe just the first date with every guy. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Sydney, are you finished eating? I think you are. We're not getting any more. That's enough.
Mommy, you're not helping.
Sydney, stop putting it on your tummy.
I think she's stuffing it in her diaper.
In the chair.
Is there 4 helpings of spaghetti in that chair?
Probably only 2. She's had it eaten 2. Oh no, she's eating it again now. So maybe it's down. Here, over here, you eat.